Everybody, so today I'm going to actually get you set up on any crypto gambling site that you want, that being Stake, Roobet, Dualbits, Gamdom, all these sites. Recommend Stake, that is the best, and make sure you use all the links in the description to get you the right place that you need to go and give yourself some benefits. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. I do want to mention that I go fast in this video, so at any point, if you need to pause, feel free, or go head over to howtoroobet.com. This is a site I created that says everything I'm about to say in this video, but on a web page, step by step, as you can see, goes into a lot of depth and has diagrams and videos that I've created personally to help you get going and winning on Stake or whatever site you want to use. So without further ado, let's start out with actually making yourself a Coinbase account. You need to head over to coinbase.com. Once you get there, set yourself up an account, make sure all that information is accurate, and once that is done, it may take a few minutes because there is a lot of information to put in. You actually want to head over to your settings, go to account limits, and you need to get level 3 verified. I have already done this, so it shows like this right now, but you need to get level 3 verified. That means your phone number, your email address, I think maybe your home address. I don't necessarily remember, but I do know the third level to actually be able to send and receive currency, which is a must to be able to play on any of these sites, is actually sending in a picture front and back of your ID. So you can actually send the Coinbase or the cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account over to your Stake account or whatever site you're using. That is a must. And now that you have that done, it will take a couple hours for that driver's license to be verified and processed through Coinbase. But now that you have that, you're going to head over to payment methods. You want to add a payment method so you can buy your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, or just start investing. You can use this to invest in cryptocurrencies as well. But I would recommend for a payment method, debit card. It is the fastest, whereas a bank account, let's just say you link your checking savings account, whatever it is, right? Well, that actually takes like 3 days to clear and actually get into your Coinbase account, which I hate waiting on stuff. So I use a debit card, which actually, of course, links to checking account anyway. So that is the way I use it. You can use a wire transfer as well, but debit card is fastest. It will get to your account in a matter of minutes and no waiting. So that's perfect. You can also use PayPal to deposit and withdraw. I use that especially to withdraw, easiest for me. And now that you've done that, head back over to the Coinbase homepage and find yourself some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever it is, right? And purchase it. So right now I have $28 in my account, but let's say you want to buy some Bitcoin. It is at $45,000 right now. So let's just say I want $50 of Bitcoin. You can click here or click custom. Make sure you selected the correct payment method, and it'll give you your rundown of what is charging you. You're going to get whatever amount at that amount, and they will tell you the fee that they do charge. So once you have that, you click buy now. It'll go to your account. I have $28 in here, and then you're going to click the send and receive button. This is where you're going to send the cryptocurrency that you just bought over to your Stake account, whatever it is, and then send from Stake back over to your Coinbase account to actually turn it back into cash and put it into your bank account. But we'll get to more than that in just a moment. Now you want to actually click the link in the description. This will take you to ExpressVPN, or, of course, it's on the website right here. But this will take you to ExpressVPN. You need this for your security. It's by far the #1 VPN in the world. Has the best connections by far. 30-day money-back guarantee. And so if you have any problems with it, don't like it, whatever it is, they'll give you your money back. And I've been working with them for a while, so they're giving you guys a special offer right now. If you can get 3 free months of ExpressVPN using that link in the description, or on the website, of course. And you can use this across all your devices: Windows, Mac, Android, Chromebook, Linux, even a Google Chrome extension, iPhone. So you can play on all your devices, whatever it is. That is awesome. Make sure you get ExpressVPN. They're the best one. I know some of the cheaper or free VPNs, they just decide to crash and it will just mess everything up. You'll get blocked and banned and all this stuff. So once you have that VPN set up, make sure you turn it on to Canada. It's the best one. Of course, it's for your security. So I'll show you right here. Make sure you click connected and all that stuff. Now you're gonna head over to Stake and set yourself up an account. And the reason why I recommend Stake is not only do they have the best casino, they also have the best sportsbook in the industry. So they have so many stake original games, thousands of slots, anything you can imagine, they have it. And Sportsbook is a massive bonus that a lot of other sites don't have. So you can actually bet on your favorite sports team and win a lot of money. So that is really good. Pat yourself on the back now. You have successfully created an account on Stake. Definitely make sure you use the link in the description so you can start earning money back on your wagers. So let's just say you bet $10 on a blackjack game. Stake will give you a small percentage back into your account just by using my link. If you don't do that, you're gonna have to wager a lot of money for that ability to actually be unlocked. So now pat yourself on the back for creating an account and actually being able to play on any of these sites. Stake like the best. I keep pushing that because it is the best and they don't screw you over like a bunch of other sites I have experienced with. Now that you have your account set up, you are going to want to play. So you're going to click this blue wallet button and click deposit. There's always a wallet button somewhere on any of the sites. You're going to click deposit, and then you're going to select the currency that you want. Also like Stake, because they accept all these different currencies, but we're using Bitcoin as our example here. And it'll give you your deposit address. You're going to click this copy button. It's going to tell you it's been copied. Right there, awesome. And then you're going to head back over to Coinbase, and that Bitcoin that you just bought, you are going to click the send and receive button. Just click the send tab, type in the amount you want. Let's just say it's $10. Wow, great. You are going to paste this into your Coinbase. Add a little note. Actually, definitely don't add a note. It's not needed. I don't know if it could mess something up. Then click on the correct currency. Make sure you do that. Double check that and the address so you don't send it to the wrong one, and you're sending the correct currency to your Stake account. Once you do that, click continue. It'll give you the rundown again with your fee to actually transfer it over to your Stake account. And then once you have that, you click the send now button. It will send over to your Stake account. Takes about, I want to say, it's depending on the actual blockchain times, but usually it's pretty fast. I would like to say an hour, definitely less than an hour, maybe 5-10 minutes max. But if you do see problems, just know the blockchain is being really slow. And I've actually deposited one time and it took over, like, maybe, I think it even took a day to actually get in there. So don't really worry if you see that your money's not in there yet. It is on the way. It's just taking a long time to get there. But then once you start playing, you play a crash game, whatever it is, you start winning big, and then you want to cash out. Well, then you're click that same blue wallet button right here. Click that withdraw tab. And of course, select the correct currency that you want to use. And if you're using Ethereum, make sure you can't use Coinbase if you are using Ethereum, just because, or for Stake at least, because they use the ERC20 whatever network, and that does not work with Coinbase. So big no for Coinbase, and Stake is using Ethereum. But Bitcoin right here, select it. You're going to go back over to Coinbase. You're going to click send and receive. Click the receive tab because you are taking money back into your account. Click I understand. Make sure you click the correct asset. That is a big deal. And click this Bitcoin address, copy it, do whatever you need. And then go back over here, paste it into this field, put the amount that you want to draw, and then click withdraw. Watch this fee down here. If the blockchain is slow or there's a lot of volume, this fee can be upwards of $10. So if you don't have a lot of money to withdraw, maybe wait a little while for this fee to go down to $3. Is actually not bad at all. Just remember that when you are withdrawing. But that is pretty much it for this video. I can't really think of anything else that you would need. And if you have any questions, of course, leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe if you wish. And head over to howtoroobet.com if you want to see how to do it. Thanks for watching, and peace.